Now we're going to talk about 2020 AMC 10A Problem 7. The 25 integers from -10 to 14 inclusive can be arranged to form a 5 by 5 square in which the sum of the numbers in each row, the sum of the numbers in each column, and the sum of the numbers along each of the main diagonals are all the same. What is the value of this common sum? So this problem is pretty easy, and it's problem 7, so it's not really that hard if you think about it in the right way. So one way to think about this is if I have a 5 by 5 grid, this means that I have 5 rows, right? So a 5 by 5 square grid means I have 5 rows. And each row sums the same. So each row has the same sum. If I add the sums of each row together, I should get the sum of all of these numbers together, because each row contains 5 integers, and there are 25 integers in total that we want to sum up. So if I sum each of the 5 rows together, if I multiply the common sum by 5, I should get the total sum of all of these numbers. Because there are 5 rows, so the common sum times 5 would be all the numbers summed together. So I just want to find the average of all of these numbers. So like all of these numbers plus together divided by 5 to get the common sum. So what's the sum of -10, -9, -8, -7, all the way to +13 plus 14? Well, it's just 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14. Why? What happened to the numbers before? Well, they cancel out because -10 corresponds to +10 somewhere over here. -7, for example, corresponds to +7 over here, so they all cancel out and add up to 0. But what we're left with is 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14. Now, what value is this? Well, this is just 50. And 50 divided by 5 should give us our common sum, the sum of each row, each column, and each main diagonal, which is 10. And our answer is just C, 10.